ninja seagulls. For years, man's tried to evade this wild foe. For they come out of the forest just like ninjas. They will steal your Whopper from Burger King. They will take your Big Mac from McDonald's. And they will swallow down any Wendy's fries that you have. Every year they plague innocent little boys and girls who are holding a piece of their fry or Whopper or Big Mac in their hand. They have it up to the heavens just because they love it so much, and when they go to take that bite, a ninja seagull comes by, swoops by, and takes it. Every year, thousands of people are affected by this. Kids, parents, and it's a vicious cycle. The seagull is a masked warrior, and rightfully so. It makes the most shrewdest of noises, something like this. We all know that sound. Nobody likes that sound. But every time you hear it, you know a ninja seagull's coming for your food. And when they do, that's it. Your Whopper, your Big Mac, your fries, they're gone. They're miles away. That motherfucker is eating it, and it is down in its stomach. People have tried for years to kill the seagulls with their Mentos, their pellet guns, their traps, but to no avail. They just keep multiplying like crazy. And when you're out picnicking and you sit there and you watch them, they circle around you waiting for you for that food, for your banana, for your tomato, for that extra slice of pie. You know what I'm talking about. But I hope one day that the seagulls stop taking your McDonald's, stop taking your Wendy's, and stop taking your Burger King. But I hope that day comes soon, because I too have been a victim of the ninja seagull.